Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A serene outdoor scene in a modern garden, featuring a tranquil koi pond with vibrant orange and white koi fish swimming among smooth, flat stones. The setting is surrounded by lush greenery, including ornamental plants and shrubs, creating a harmonious balance with nature. The patio adjacent to the pond consists of sleek, dark furniture, inviting relaxation amidst the natural surroundings. The architecture includes dark wooden accents and large glass windows, reflecting an interplay of light and shadow. The atmosphere is tranquil, embodying a blend of modern design and natural beauty, with warm autumn hues peeking through the trees. A charming courtyard scene featuring a rustic house with a whitewashed exterior, adorned with colorful flowers cascading from the windows and balconies. The vibrant orange and pink blossoms, particularly marigolds and bougainvillea, create a lively contrast against the earthy tones of the building. The setting is bathed in warm, natural sunlight, casting gentle shadows on the ground, which is composed of a mixture of pebbles and bricks. Potted plants of various sizes dot the space, adding lush greenery. A small wooden table sits center stage, inviting relaxation, with wrought iron chairs nearby. A vibrant courtyard scene featuring a beautifully tiled fountain as the focal point, surrounded by an array of colorful potted plants and flowers. The walls are painted in rich shades of orange and purple, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The central mosaic floor is embellished with intricate patterns in shades of blue, yellow, and red, adding a lively touch. Cascading flowers in various hues frame the space, while a rustic tiled roof provides a quaint backdrop. The overall aesthetic leans toward hyperrealism, with intricate details capturing the textures of the plants and tiles. A serene courtyard scene, reminiscent of a charming Mediterranean villa, bathed in warm, golden sunlight. The setting features rustic brick architecture, with terracotta tiles adorning sloped roofs, and vibrant green ivy cascading down walls. In the center, a tranquil pool is filled with lily pads, reflecting the surrounding greenery and blue sky. Surrounding the pool, terracotta pots overflow with colorful, blooming flowers, adding splashes of red, pink, and yellow against the earthy tones. Elegant wooden furniture, including a small table and chairs, invites relaxation under the large tree at the back, where dappled light creates a soft, inviting atmosphere. A quaint courtyard scene featuring a rustic two-story stone house adorned with vibrant bougainvillea cascading over the walls and roof. The facade displays a mix of weathered stone and wooden shutters, with a rich terracotta tiled roof. Lush greenery surrounds the entrance, where potted plants of various colors add splashes of life. The courtyard is bathed in warm sunlight, highlighting the textures of the stone and the vivid hues of the flowers, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, capturing the rich detail of each plant and architectural element, with a focus on the interplay of light and shadow. A quaint courtyard scene featuring a rustic two-story stone house adorned with vibrant bougainvillea cascading over the walls and roof. The facade displays a mix of weathered stone and wooden shutters, with a rich terracotta tiled roof. Lush greenery surrounds the entrance, where potted plants of various colors add splashes of life. The courtyard is bathed in warm sunlight, highlighting the textures of the stone and the vivid hues of the flowers, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, capturing the rich detail of each plant and architectural element, with a focus on the interplay of light and shadow. Cozy courtyard scene in a Mediterranean-style home, featuring rustic charm with warm, inviting colors. The setting includes a soft, natural stone floor, accented by lush greenery and terracotta pots filled with various plants. A prominent brick fireplace serves as the focal point, surrounded by an assortment of potted herbs and vibrant foliage. Two comfortable seating areas with plush cushions and decorative pillows create an intimate atmosphere, while elegant lanterns hang from the walls, casting a gentle glow. A vibrant courtyard scene in a tropical setting, featuring an open-air design with rich, warm terracotta walls illuminated by soft, golden sunlight. The courtyard is filled with lush greenery, including tall palm plants and ornamental foliage, creating a serene oasis. Elegant wicker seating with plush mustard yellow cushions is arranged around a low, rustic wooden coffee table, adorned with a small plant centerpiece. A patterned Persian rug anchors the space, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Large arches frame the view, revealing hints of surrounding balconies and windows. Cozy outdoor living space under a wooden pergola adorned with string lights, circular seating arrangement with plush gray sofas and decorative throw pillows, a central stone fire pit glowing warmly, surrounded by a pebbled area and lush greenery. The scene features soft evening lighting, creating a tranquil and inviting atmosphere, with hints of lavender plants in rustic pots, wooden accents, and a stone pathway leading into the space. Cozy outdoor living space with two large orange couches adorned with gray and blue throw pillows, a central dark wooden table with a bowl of bright yellow lemons, and a striking tile fireplace illuminated by a warm fire, surrounded by lush greenery and potted plants. The setting is vibrant and welcoming, featuring intricate tile work on the fireplace and a richly patterned rug in warm tones of blue and orange. The aesthetic is a fusion of rustic charm and bohemian elegance, with terracotta roof tiles and natural light filtering through the trees overhead, creating dappled shadows. A serene and inviting modern architectural scene featuring a beautifully designed house with a combination of white stucco and natural stone elements. The setting includes a spacious outdoor area adorned with lush greenery and various succulent plants in terracotta pots. The house has a warm, Mediterranean aesthetic with a tiled roof and large windows that allow natural light to flood the interior. The color palette consists of earthy tones, soft greens, and the warm hues of the terracotta.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.